going to be doing a mail time. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing another mail time. This will be like my 6th one, 5th or 6th. And here with me, if you hear someone else talking, is my sister. Hi, my name is 777 AJ. Just say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. So, these ton of you, thank you guys so much. I love you so much. You guys are so kind to me, to give me all these gifts that I have, because some of them from my buddies, some of them are just random people. But sorry.
What the heck?
Sorry about that. I just burped. Sorry. Excuse me. I just ate, so can't blame me. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the first one's from no idea how to say that user, but they said mail time. I love that party hat thingy.
Hey, that's mine.
Ooh, good thing to start. Well, to me, that's a good thing. Clothing beta, thank you for the rare bow and arrows.
You say you burped when you or something? Yeah, that's what you said. Well, she's full, guys. She burped, okay? She burped.
Sorry. Next is from Unconditionally. Yeah, it said sure. Rare reindeer mask. The rare reindeer during the Jamalidays, the reindeer masks were in high demand. So. Next one's from. Did I just get a jag or something?
I think so. No, because it
doesn't say. Yeah. Next one's from XX Blue and XX. Sorry, my voice sounds kind of weird. They sent. Another. Wow.
The same color.
Yeah, it's same and like basically tomorrow. Wow, well, thank you very much for that. Thank you. Another one from Unconditionally. What? They sent rare angel wings. Thank you a lot. Thank you very much. They're rich. There. Look at them, man. Look at them. Tiger71802 sent me rainbow spiked color.
I used to have that.
You guys are being so nice to me. Thank you so much.
You got a good stuff.
The next one's from A girl 245. She said rare back glasses. Spooky.
Oh, I think this be spooky. Maybe.
Jacob Puppy 123 sent spooky.
Poopy.
Did they just say spooky? Oh yeah, that is spooky.
That's weird.
That's
I don't like
really
that.
scary.
I don't like
Yeah, that should be named Scary Clown.
He said spooky.
They're Scary Clown.
I think we can't say spooky.
I don't know. But guys, if I don't say thank you after every gift, doesn't mean I'm not thankful. I've said this in other mail times, but I just don't have enough time or something to say thank you after everyone. So yeah, I don't like it. My throat is like, oh, my voice sounds weird. Next one's from Cheetah10260. Fast as a cheetah. Phantom gauntlets. Thank you for those. Wait, real quick, let me just see if you can say spooky.
I don't think you can. They would have said spoopy.
What? Why did they say spooky? Unless they didn't have free chat? And they couldn't say it.
Oh,
or
yeah,
something?
probably.
Because you could say spooky if they
It
not to say
said spoopy.
Snace39. Silverfish, why are you so scared? They sent polar winter jacket.
I don't know.
I don't know why they say it. Next one's from Pug4. Sure. Pigtails. Thank you for those. No, the glitch. Oh, okay. Never mind. Next one's from Celebrate 3600. Say 600.
Yeah.
They sent wings. Rare. They're rare. I don't know why they don't say rare. But next one's from Dragon Girl 93. I'm pretty sure. Yep, that's my buddy. She said here. It's a rare clover blanket. Thank you. Oh yeah, I'm so happy Bagel's my buddy.
Me too.
Bagel's my buddy. Wait, I thought he was quitting. He was on one day ago.
Me Me too.
I don't know. But the next one's from Kame8. You're the best. Are you recording? Oh my gosh. Okay, when they first sent this, I thought they said you're the best at you. Never mind, that was a different Jag. I was gonna say I thought they said you're the best at recording. That was a different Jag because this is already recording. Yeah. And
Yes, we are.
Yes. No, we're not recording. Definitely not recording. He sent a seal plushie. Thank you for that. And we'll open up this last gift, then we're going to go start opening gifts from the top. So, turtles are cool. 1751 heart. Because my sister, her name is 777 AJ, thought this was supposed to be a heart for some reason.
It doesn't look like one, but
Exactly. They sent rares. Oh, that was the rim a few weeks ago. But thank you for that. Now we're gonna start from the
The
top.
next one was Ord.
Okay. I don't care, Ord. Okay.
Don't you like not like Ord or something?
No, it's because I thought he scammed, or hacked, or whatever.
Wait, he didn't?
Heartening. No, he didn't.
How do you know?
Because Heartening posted a video or something saying that he didn't.
Well, where did they go?
I don't know. So that's I love wolves and bunny. I would love to. Oh, because I asked her if she could gift to me for my mealtime. Rare butterfly glasses. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, these two from Tenna31. I entered a giveaway, so that's why it says congrats. So I won Rare Curly Wig, and I won Rare Beret. Sorry. Thank you for those gifts. It could either be like a necklace or something, or it could be something kind of good.
Oh.
Or they just want to be in my video, probably. From G. Hanner 8274. Please open during the vid.
Well, that would be good. Probably.
I have 3 of these now.
I have one for you. I bought one.
I have 3 because they're in the Freedom Hunt.
I got a purple platform under you.
Well, thanks for that. Sky Cloud Q, my buddy, said yeah. She sent Pearl Bracelet. Oh, I'm so rich now. I have pearls. Okay, next, this one's from Hershey Bear. A list plus bad long good short for your founders, which I already looked at their list, and I didn't want it. It was like under. And they sent Knight Armor. So doesn't my voice sound weird?
Maybe a little bit. I don't know.
Extreme Casted. I give plenty of people, so sure. Feed a monkey. I don't like the way those eyes look. Thanks. Scaff. Okay, but I'll gift a promo. Ooh, promo. Yay! Promo.
What are those words?
Mystical fairies. I don't know, guys, but I'm actually gonna pause this and be right back. I'm gonna check what those are worth. Okay, guys, I'm back. I checked what those mystical fairy rings are worth, and they are worth 1 to 2 gem betas, but low to medium demand. So I don't know. Next one's from what that is. Next one's from Dreaming Shadow AJ. She said, I'm doing one too, gift. And I already gifted her. She sent rare 10-gallon hat. Thank you. Next one's from Foxy Adrian. One. They sent rare Sapphire. Yay! Thank you. I needed to trade someone for that because I didn't get the rim. Forgot. So thank you very much for that. Next one's from Sparkle Magic 162, Gift Back Decent, which I gifted them a non-rare bone arrows, which I don't know what they gifted, but hopefully it was a necklace, because I gifted them that was worth a few rims. Oh, so basically it was worth the same Feather Mask. This used to be clothing beta, but now it's down to a few rims. Next one's from Lizzie6198. She said, sure, and sent the Arctic Wolf Claw. Next one's from Liv Loves LPS. Yes, of course. And sent Keytar. That's in the jam something party, jam session. I think. Next one's from Moyasha Ashi. They said, sure. Sorry, I had an itch. And sent Rare Jamaliday Top Hat. It's worth a few rims, I think. Next one's from Sun499. They sent smiley face. They said, yay! Thanks. First, necklace of the mail time. Woohoo! Next one's from. Okay, I started back. The next one's from EJH209. They said, LOL, it's okay. They said, rare events. Yeah. Next one's from Mini LPS4. They said, here. Monster. Whoa, monster teeth. The next one's from Woodcats. They said, rare flower cape. Oh, that was the rim, I think, last week. Or the week before. Thank you. Oh, another one from EJH209. They sent me Royal Tiara. Oh, people say, painted tiaras. I think those are in high demand or something. So thank you. You're not my buddy. What buddy you? Thanks for the gifts. Next one's from I Don't Care Anymore, 89. Well, you don't care anymore, apparently. Another one. How do you say that? Sorry, I forgot. August Breeze. You like red, eh? From your friend. What? I don't have a friend. Well, maybe they're in Canada. You like red, eh?
Hey. I think of an old grandma.
Sure. Sure, I like red. Thanks. Thanks for the Jamaliday scarf. Next is from Happy Cat 39. He said, why not have an underrated bird? He sent me an underrated bird.
He was an underrated bird. Yes!
Oh, have an underrated bird.
Okay.
Oh, I've never ever seen that before.
It's in the diamond shop.
Oh.
I have it. I got it like the day it came out.
Wow, okay. Yep, I know this is definitely a request. So guys, the next, I'll open these next 5 gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5 gifts, and that'll be all for this, video. Next one's from Blue Rivers. He said, rare standing game. I know it's a necklace. Anyways, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Knew it. I just knew it. So second necklace of the mail time. Not surprising. Next one's from WolfGirl7096. They said, sure, but I don't have a lot. That's fine. Whatever you guys send. I just want gifts to open. Ooh, thanks. Those are actually really cool. Wait, how many more gifts? I think these last 3.
No, that one.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So next one's from Jammer2YWDO. There are a ton of jammers that just have these like random names. They said here. Well, that's in Epic Wonders, but it recycles for a lot. Yeah. Next one's from, I think all these ones are from my buddies, because I jagged them as really different from the time. So Summertime Cat sent me Rare Mommy Mask. Thank you. So guys, 2 more, these last 2 gifts. Next one's from Twinkie Cat 17. They said hi. I sent back hello. Rare was wrist watch. Thank you. And last gift. Spaz Cat 18. Sure, go to Papa. I don't know what's that worth. I mean, I don't know what that's worth. What's that worth? Seeing as I got my gentle sheep clock.
That's not a sheep. She's a sheep.
Roger to spoil it.
Because
Okay, guys. So, anyways, oh no, I have to talk really fast because I only have 15 seconds left before this ends by itself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.